Dude, I make some music, and you dance, you just break it down, drop it like it's high, you know what I'm saying? So, if you win, you get $5. Anybody interested?
Crystal.
You ready? Are you ready, man? But if you come up here, you have to dance, okay?
Yes,
Alright, come on over here, man. Come over here, right here like this.
Crystal.
You got it. Let me turn this off for a second. Okay. Come on, you ready? You stand right there. What's your name? Good to meet you, Jasmine. Are you Jasmine from Disney? Are you sure? All right, then. All right, Mija, you ready? You too? Okay. All right. That's all right. Uh-oh. That's your backup, huh? They're like, are they getting all ready? I'm like, okay, are you ready? You have a leg, you all right? You all right? Okay, Mija, ready? Pay attention. 1, 2. When I go slow, you go slow. When I go fast, you go fast. Okay, are you ready, Jasmine? Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Jasmine and her little friend. All right.
That's her sister.
Her sister. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, turn around and look at your crowd. Come on. Break it down, man. Do something. Little toes. That is Tiger. Give her a round of applause. You got grass all over your little ring pop. Be careful, okay? Just blow it off. You'll be alright. Little dirt don't hurt me. Look it. Let's Shira, mira. Look, if this pops me out, you used to have a pink and green churro. And it dances. There you go. Look at. I would like to get a hat on her, but do you think she'll wear it? Yeah, you're right. You hear her, Mom? She's wearing her crown. End up on the news right now. Mom, you think pink? Wait, let's go with a different color. How about some pink and purple? Would that be okay? Okay, all right. Just making sure it's okay with you.